What's going on, everyone? This is nothing but Pokemon here. I'll be opening up some fan mail. Also have some items that I've purchased, and also some that I've won in raffles. This one right here is coming straight from Japan with some goodies. I have 2 booster boxes and also a special card in there. But the first one we're going to open up is coming from Average Players. I think I won this one in a raffle of his. Let's check it out. Made sure it didn't have no creases or bends on it. He packaged it perfect too. I had told him to open it up online. Sponsored it for all the folks that jumped on his channel, and I wanted to open it up. Didn't show the code card, so that code card is still fresh if anybody wants to snag it. This next package is coming from Hitta's Bulldogs. I'll be linking everybody's Instagram down below, so make sure you go and follow them. They have great content, great people, and show nothing but love. This guy in particular hit us, showed love from day one, sent all these goodies to me. I think he was the second one to shoot me some fan mail. The first one I don't have on this clip, but sent me some good Pokemon cards. Topps cards right there. I'll be opening them up soon. It'll be probably the next video coming up. Got the Onyx GX right there. I didn't have this card, so a big shout out. And some more Topps. Man, I can't wait to open these. I've never opened up Topps cards before, so thank you, brother. This next one right here, it's gonna be in the trophy case for a while. I don't think I'll be opening up this this pack in a very long time. I think this one came from Poké Goblin. Again, if I butchered anybody's I apologize, but I'll be setting up everybody's link down below. Got the little cardboard box on there, little saran wrap. Appreciate it, man. Make sure that thing stay dried, because oh my god, this one was a beauty. That Venusaur blister pack, unlimited, but still, man, it's a beauty. I was so tempted to open this up, but held myself back, because nah, I'd rather leave it on the shelf. Now I just need to look for that Zard and get the Blastoids as well. Add that to the shelf, and I'll be a happy camper. Maybe once I get two of each, I'll open one up. Alright, so this next one I'm opening up, it'll be from Vintage Pokédad. Quick turnaround, man. I appreciate the love. I won these on the raffle, and he shipped these out ASAP. They got to me within less than a week, I think. Great condition. No damage, no dings, no dents, no nothing. Alright, so we got Jolteon right here. PSA 7 right here. Looked good. Flareon. Came in at a 9. Then we have Vaporeon. Came in at a number 8. PSA grade. And last but not least, Victory Bell. Came in at an 8. Very good looking cards. Again, tops. Didn't open many of these when I was a kid, but really looking forward to opening up Hitta's packs that he sent me. Those tops. Now, we have another one here from Vintage Pokédad. Again, quick turnaround. This one I think was off of Japanese Diamond and Pearl pack. Don't have many Japanese booster packs, but really looking forward to starting that collection. Nice, crisp. Still debating whether I'd open this on the channel or just leave it for future videos as I get an art set of this Diamond and Pearl pack. These next few packages coming from James, the final boss. Won some of these, and he also sent me some goodies on top of that. But man, this guy right here takes care of your cards. No joke. You'll see in a second. Packaging is crisp. No bends. Nothing. As you can see, he clearly marks them. This man really takes care of your cards. This right here, long neck, Charizard, booster pack. This is my first one to add to the list. I'll be looking to get the art set for this soon enough. Don't know if I'll be opening it up anytime soon, but we'll see. Maybe once I get the double set. This next one right here is gonna be also from James. Nothing but clearly labeled, no mistakes as he's shipping them out. Double wrap, triple wrap, quadruple wrap. This guy doesn't play, man. I tell you. Look at that. And then also he has it in between two card savers. So reassure you that there's not going to be any bends. It's from Gym Heroes, first edition pack. I'll probably open that when I have a full art set as well. This next one, this is a package that I got from him as well. Had a bunch of goodies in there as well. Again, solid on the wrapping. I even had a hard time getting them out. Like I said, quadruple. Those are some goodies he threw in. Some unified minds and also a PSA graded card that he just threw in for free. Pikachu, no red cheeks but yellow cheeks. Graded 5. Right on for that, man. Appreciate it. Next here, I have some packs that I've purchased from him. Straight up, and we opened them up on his Instagram live. Plasma Blast, I didn't open that one. I'll be opening up that one shortly. And we got this Venusaur pack. The only thing is, it is a Spanish version. Unlimited. Wanted to add these to the collection. He said, hey man, I got these. You want to take these off my hands? I was like, man, I'll take them. Charizard right here. We opened them all up. Got some good pulls from them. Blastoise pack right here. Might be sending these off to PSA to get them graded. We'll see, as time tells. This next one right here came from Andrew at Card Secret. All the way from Japan. This guy was also a quick turnaround as well too. Let's skip ahead. I forgot these. These came in the Spanish packs. Got the Raichu right here. Got a little bit of print line on them, but still good. Like the buzz. Hitmonchan. Might send that one out as well too. Spanish version. Puñetazo. So let's get back into the box. This one again, Card Secret, formerly known as Japan International Trade. Andrew over there really took care of me. He was quick on the replies on DM. I'll be linking his information down below. This guy Andrew, man, he shipped these out quicker than I expected. I thought they were gonna wait. They were gonna last at least 3 to 4 weeks before they arrived, but they arrived in a timely manner. I'll be opening them up pretty soon here. Also, please be sure to let me know down below. What are you, Sword or Shield? We got the Zacian and Zamazenta. Really excited for these V cards and see how they look. Got this Graffiti Pikachu he sent in. This card you only got when you went into the Shibuya Pokemon Center. that just recently opened up. They handed it out to all the guests that came in. Here again is a side view of the cards, of the box. For sale in Japan. So appreciate it for sending them out. Again, that's the Pikachu right here. I really love that promo card. It's one of my favorite promo cards so far. Quick little glimpse at what I have. The Raichu. The Diamond Pearl. Also with those vintage booster packs in the back, first editions, blisters, tops, unified, and unlimited Spanish versions. Again, thanks everyone for watching. Please remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe. And also hit that bell notification so you get notified when I open up these Sword and Shield boxes. Thanks again.